When I first began teaching the Qur'an, I noticed something. Many of us recite beautifully, memorize diligently, but we struggle to live the Qur'an. The companions radiallahu anhum didn't learn that way. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu anhu said, when one of us learned 10 verses, he would not move on until he understood their meaning and acted upon them. They learned 10 verses at a time, understood their meaning and acted upon them. That was the secret to their transformation. So I asked myself, what if we could return to that way of learning? What if modern Muslims could experience the Qur'an as the companions did? Not just through recitation or memorization, but through understanding, reflection and action. This question became the foundation of People of the Qur'an Academy. At People of the Qur'an Academy, we believe the path to revival begins here, by returning to how they learned. The companions learned to live the Qur'an. We only learn to recite and memorize. Our goal isn't to produce qaris or hafidhs, but to produce people of the Qur'an. Muslim men and women who live by the Qur'an every single day. And through affordable courses, flexible learning and scholarships for those in need, we're making that possible for everyone. Whether you're just starting to recite, longing to understand, or ready to carry the Qur'an in your heart, we've built a path for you. Learning with us isn't about rushing. It's about consistency, it's about community, and it's about personal transformation. So I invite you to join us, to be among the first to begin this journey, to learn it, live it and teach it. Join the movement, revive the method, become from Ahl al-Qur'an, the people of Allah and His special ones.
قد حاد عنه مكابرا فالوعد أن يلج الشقي جهنم ويعيش دنيا